Hi, today we'll see how to make a birdhouse. This is a multiple room birdhouse that is a nice ornament and very useful as well, especially if you adapt it to the kind of bird you want to attract. I'm going to go through the steps of making it, but you can simply follow a different shape than the hexagon I'm creating. Different sizes, types of wood, or colors, for example, to make it more attractive for birds to explore and actually create their nest inside. Just keep in mind they should feel safe, so the final place of your birdhouse may make all the difference. To begin, you will need to trace and cut 6 boards of 10 by 15 centimeters or 4 by 6 inches. To form the hexagonal shape, cut them at an angle of 30 degrees on 2 of the short sides. Now you can place them over a board and form the hexagonal shape. Trace them to cut both lids. Screw both without using glue. This way is easier to clean. If you'd like, you can add divisions inside depending on the type of the bird you want to attract. Pierce a hole for each compartment and polish everything to taste. For the accessories, you can hand draw a shape you like. I'm making 3 ornaments to work as a perch, even is not precisely necessary for the bird, together with 3 half rings to help cover the entry from the rail. Finally, glue them together and wood stain before applying some varnish. I'm using a matte varnish and a dark brown wood stainer, but keep in mind that birds aren't really looking for a nest that stands out from the background.